Yeah, come and share it, bud. A card, look at this card. And we got this one over here. I got over here, the Jimmy Sheet. It's very nice, man. Nice car here, isn't it? Nice car, come buy this one at 1400 Wilkin Street, downtown Boulder. And buy this one today. Look Encore here. Encore here. That's an not show the that's not you have by. They can Encore. They can not call at 1400 Wilkin Street, downtown Boulder, Country Saturday. And call 806-273-7171 and talking about Hood, Devin, and Wally about these cars today. And Happy New Year this week. Thank you and have a good day. And we got Jimmy C. Jimmy C. and Nari over here. It's very nice truck. Jimmy C. and Nari, very nice. Come look at this one and buy this one. Look at it. It's good core. It's a Nari. Yukon. We got the Yukon callers 806-273-7171. Come and get it. Thank you. Bye-bye.